check out this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, custom perforated leather appointed front seat trim, window, power, rear sliding, airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 45-36 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cool LED, driver and front passenger front bucket, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. LTZ Plus package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished, aluminum, rear vision camera, audio system with navigation, FM3 stream stereo with CD player, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.